Well, as you might know, I inspect every sink before it goes out, but on the occasions when an employee's out sick, I actually pack them with Mataya's assistance. She's the one on the camera. Well, our beautiful crates are made by someone other than me. I happen to be putting this one together, but there's a lot of work that goes into these. Several pieces of wood, everything's sanded, edges rounded, all of the screws are countersunk, everything is glued except for the top. And I hope you reuse it because it's going to show up pretty much like it looks right now. And a lot of our customers have gotten a lot of use out of these. We had one customer send us a picture. They had put theirs on some cinder blocks and planted tomatoes. We had one customer that had a couple pet little pigs, and they used their crate to put the Christmas tree on so the pigs couldn't get at the tree and eat the ornaments.